Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into an awesome and rewarding DIY project. Building your own mini wind turbine. It's an eco-friendly endeavor, fun to make, and you'll even see it light up an LED, demonstrating the power of renewable energy right before your eyes. This is a great way to learn about the principles of renewable energy and get your hands on with some practical, real-world application of science and engineering. So, what do we need to bring this mini wind turbine to life? First and foremost, the heart of our project, a large DC motor. We'll be repurposing this as a generator, converting the mechanical energy of the wind into electrical energy. Next, we need propellers. We'll fashion these from a simple, readily available plastic bottle, making this project even more accessible. A sturdy stand to hold everything together is essential, providing the structural integrity for our turbine, and of course, an LED to light up, acting as a visual indicator, clearly showing our turbine in action and the power it's generating. We'll also need some basic tools like a utility knife or scissors, glue, and wiring. Let's begin with crafting the propellers, the wings of our wind turbine. Take your plastic bottle and carefully cut out the propeller blades. Remember, safety first. Always be cautious when using sharp tools. You can find plenty of online tutorials to help you with the design and shaping of your blades. Experiment with different blade shapes and angles to optimize the wind capture. The key is to make sure the blades effectively catch the wind, maximizing the rotational force. Consider researching the principles of aerodynamics for even better results. Once your blades are meticulously prepared, it's time to assemble the turbine head. This is where the magic happens. Attach the blades securely to a hub that can reliably connect to the DC motor shaft. Use a suitable adhesive to create a strong and lasting bond. Make sure everything is precisely aligned and balanced to ensure smooth, efficient spinning. Any imbalance can lead to vibration and reduced performance. Next, let's build the stand, the backbone of our mini wind turbine. This can be as simple or as elaborate as you'd like, depending on your resources and preferences. The main goal is to provide a stable and secure base for your turbine, allowing it to withstand the forces of the wind. You can use wood, PVC pipes, or any other sturdy materials you have on hand. Ensure the stand is tall enough so the propellers can catch the wind unobstructed, away from any potential obstacles. Consider the placement of your turbine. Is it in a location where it will have consistent access to wind? Now, carefully connect the DC motor to the stand. Secure it firmly, ensuring the shaft is free to rotate without any friction. Take extra care to ensure everything is tightly secured, preventing any movement during operation. Connect the wires from the DC motor to the LED. Remember, the DC motor generates electricity, which will power the LED. Make sure the polarity is correct, otherwise, the LED won't light up. The positive terminal of the motor should connect to the positive terminal of the LED, and the negative to negative, with everything meticulously assembled and double-checked for stability and correct connections. It's time for the moment of truth. We'll use a regular house fan to simulate the wind, allowing us to test our creation indoors. Place your mini wind turbine in front of the fan, ensuring a safe distance. As the blades spin, driven by the simulated wind, the DC motor will begin to generate electricity. This is where the conversion happens, from mechanical energy to electrical energy. And, voila! The LED should light up, beautifully illuminating, showing that your mini wind turbine is successfully generating power. What a rewarding experience! This is a real testament to your ingenuity and hard work. This DIY project is a fantastic and engaging introduction to the world of renewable energy and fundamental engineering concepts. You can experiment with different blade designs, motor sizes, and stand heights to further optimize your turbine's performance and efficiency. Try changing the angle of the blades or the length of the blades. Remember, safety always comes first. Always supervise children when building this project, and exercise caution. When working with tools and electrical components, proper adult supervision is important to ensure a safe learning environment. Thanks for watching, and happy building! We hope this video inspired you to pursue more exciting DIY projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content.